Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best kitchen gadgets is probably one of the most exciting things to explore in the culinary world. From the simplest tasks to the most complex recipes, these tools can revolutionize your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, having the right gadgets can save you time, reduce effort, and elevate your dishes to a whole new level. So, get ready to discover some amazing kitchen gadgets that will transform the way you cook and make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. Number 5. Fullstar Pro Chopper, Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. This is the original Pro Chopper, a top-rated kitchen gadget. It's simple to use, set up, and clean, saving you time and energy. This is a useful gift for anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and easier. Perfect for those who want to eat healthier but are short on time. It dices potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with heavy-duty, rust-resistant stainless steel blades. This is a thoughtful cooking gift and practical kitchen essential for everyday use. Built for comfort and precision, this chopper has a soft grip handle for better control. The non-skid rubber base keeps it stable on any surface. Its built-in catch tray keeps counters clean, making it a perfect housewarming gift. Done prepping? Just toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher, no scrubbing required. It's a clever and convenient choice for gifts that actually get used. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, this food chopper makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It's ideal for various meals and is one of the best gift ideas for anyone who loves time-saving kitchen gadgets. Prep has never been easier. What we like? This chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but is short on time. Its rust-resistant blades make chopping vegetables a breeze, and cleanup is as simple as tossing it in the dishwasher. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to prepare meals, you should consider this. What people say. It is made of high-quality material, strong and stable, with a nice size. Very sharp. The quality is nice and for the size you can chop up things fast. For the most part it is safe and offers the ability to detach the chopping pieces to clean it much easier. Setting it up and disassembling it is easy. It makes great home fries. All vegetables are same size for better cooking time. It's so easy to use and very stable to work with. The blades are very sharp, so be careful. Number 4. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Food Thermometer. This instant read thermometer is perfect for anyone who loves to cook or grill. It features a fast response time, giving you accurate temperature readings in seconds. It's a great gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. The thermometer has a temperature probe and advanced technology for accuracy. It comes pre-calibrated and has a recalibrating feature. This makes it easy to use right out of the box. From grilling to baking, this digital thermometer is versatile. It's suitable for meats, liquids, and even candy making. You can use it in various settings, indoors and outdoors. The large, backlit display ensures you can always see the temperature. Whether you're grilling in the dark or baking in the kitchen, it's easy to read. It's a must-have kitchen essential. This meat thermometer is water-resistant, so it can be washed under running water. This makes it easy to clean after use. It's designed for convenience and durability. This thermometer comes in an elegant box, making it a great gift. It's perfect for husbands, wives, or anyone who enjoys cooking. Give the gift of perfect cooking. What we like? This instant read thermometer provides accurate temperature readings in seconds, making it ideal for grilling, baking, and more. Its water-resistant design ensures durability, and the large, backlit display makes it easy to read in any lighting. If you are a grilling enthusiast or a home chef who values precision, you should consider this. What people say. It gives a quick and accurate temperature reading, which makes it easy to know when food is cooked properly. Works great. Love the easy read LED screen and the temp guides as reminders. It's easy to swing open the probe, the magnet is strong and easily adheres to my fridge. Super easy to just clean the probe with soap and water and then swing closed. Display is easy to read. Within 1 to 2 seconds, you have an accurate temperature reading. Number 3. AUOON Silicone Clip-On Strainer for Pots and Pans. This AUOON strainer is designed for efficient draining. The easy-to-use mechanism allows for quick separation of liquids from solids, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Its compact size means it takes up minimal space in your kitchen. This makes it an ideal choice for those with limited storage. The slim profile allows for easy storage in cabinets or drawers. This pasta strainer features an innovative clip design that easily attaches to various sizes of pans, pots, or bowls. The flexible grip makes it an indispensable tool in the kitchen. Made from food-grade silicone, it is both safe and easy to clean. This material is BPA-free and has a heat resistance range of -40°C to 230°C. Cleanup is a breeze, either by hand or in the dishwasher. This pot strainer is not just a strainer but a multifunctional kitchen tool. It's perfect for draining pasta, filtering grease, washing fruits and vegetables, and even as a colander for preparing salads and more. What we like? This clip-on strainer offers a convenient and efficient way to drain pasta, wash fruits, and more. Its compact design saves space, and the clip easily attaches to various pots and pans. If you have limited kitchen space or want a versatile tool for everyday cooking, you should consider this. What people say. It is super easy to put on, and is designed well. Clips straight onto any pot for convenience. It strains really well. Number 2. OTOTO Red the Crab Silicone Utensil Rest. Introducing Red, the Crab, from OTOTO Studio. This silicone spoon rest is ready to help in the kitchen. It's designed to make your cooking experience easier. Looking for a unique gift? Red is perfect for home cooks and foodies. This quirky utensil holder is a fun and practical addition to any kitchen. This spoon holder is a kitchen essential, made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone. It's designed to withstand heat and is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Red is a durable silicone utensil holder and steam releaser. Watch as its legs grip the lids while you cook. It makes meal prepping more fun. OTOTO creates fun and functional products. They add a bit of magic to everyday chores. We hope you enjoy using Red as much as we enjoyed creating it. What we like? This crab-shaped utensil rest adds a touch of fun to your kitchen while keeping your counters clean. It's heat-resistant and made of food-grade silicone, making it easy to clean. If you like unique kitchen gadgets that combine functionality with a playful design, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect for easy steaming and holding wooden spoons. Great little spoon rest. Fits on the pot, looks cute, works as advertised. The spoon rest is a nice weight and the material seems pretty robust. The little doggy characters are quite cute and their shape means they can clip to the side of pots to let a dirty spoon drip back in, or even doing double duty as a pot lid vent, or they can sit upright on the countertop. Number 1. Electric Hand Blender 500W with Turbo Mode. This hand blender boasts a 500-watt motor and 4 sharp blades. It effortlessly tackles tough ingredients, perfect for creating smooth smoothies, soups, milkshakes, and batters. Need a little extra oomph? The turbo button provides a boost of speed. This feature is ideal for blending frozen fruits or hard vegetables. The stick blender easily detaches from the base. The blades are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, the handheld unit itself should not be put in the dishwasher or submerged in water. The slim base allows for a steady grip. You can blend directly in a pot or storage container with this portable blender. Crafted from durable metal, this stick mixer is built to last. It's designed to be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. What we like? This immersion blender boasts a powerful motor and a turbo boost function for tackling tough ingredients. The detachable base makes it easy to clean and store. If you are looking for a versatile tool for making smoothies, soups, and purees, you should consider this. What people say. Works well, easy to clean, and overall easy to use. It blends like a champ, so powerful. It's faster and easier than either a handheld mixer or a processor and is also easier to clean. It can be stored in a drawer, occupying minimal space, is easy to use, features a nice design, and is sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.